Today I'm going to speak on the fabric of unity, exploring the importance of coexisting with different identities in a fractured Manipur. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today and share a message that is not only worth listening but also worth remembering. First, now to begin, a single thread may be delicate, but when countless of threads are woven together with patience and love, they become a fabric strong enough to withstand any storm. That fabric is Manipur. Our land is not merely a place on a map. It is a living tapestry woven with countless stories, cultures, languages, and dreams. Every community is a unique thread carrying its own color, beauty, and history. Alone, each thread is beautiful, but together they create a masterpiece. Yet today, that beautiful fabric bears painful tears when suspicion replaces trust and hatred replaces understanding. The colors that once complemented one another begin to fade. A fractured Manipur is not the sorrow of just one person. It is the silent cry of every mother, every child, and every heart longing for peace. The maidens of the valley, the Nagas of the hill, and the cookies across our cherished homelands are not separate pieces of this land. They are different threads of the same fabric, different notes of the same song, and different stars shining in the same Manipuri sky. Coexisting does not mean losing our identity. It means protecting our uniqueness while embracing our shared humanity. Just as a rainbow needs every color to paint the heavens, so does Manipur needs every community to complete its beauty. Diversity is not the crack that breaks us apart. It is the light that makes us shine. There is an old truth that echoes across generations, that love grows where hatred ends, and peace begins where understanding starts. In that way, the peace begins in everything that we do, whenever we trust, whenever we build each other's trust. Peace begins in all that we do. And when we think, Christianity beautifully reminds us through the words of Jesus Christ, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Love does not ask whether someone is Mayday, Cookie, or Naga before offering a helping hand. It simply reaches out, heals wounds, restores peace, and builds bridges over walls that once stood. The future of Manipur will never be written by anger, but by compassion. Never by revenge, but by forgiveness. Never by division, but by unity. So let us all remember this, that a single thread cannot make a cloth. A single note cannot create a melody, and a single color cannot paint a rainbow. Likewise, no single community can tell the entire story of our homeland. It is only when the Naga, the Kuki, the Meitei, and every other community works hand in hand that the true beauty of our homeland comes alive. Let us choose coexistence over conflict, hope over hatred, and unity over division. Let us weave a future where our different identities is not the reason we fall apart, but the very reason why we stand together. Because when every thread is valued, the fabric becomes unbreakable. And when every heart unites, Manipur becomes whole once again. Thank you.